In this lesson, we will see the prepositions, but we will see more precisely sans. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. And so this lesson is about sans. And the preposition sans translates to without in English. So we will see four examples with sans. Il est parti sans dire au revoir. Il est parti sans dire au revoir. Une tarte sans trop de sucre est plus saine. Une tarte sans trop de sucre est plus saine. Elle vit sans ses parents. Elle vit sans ses parents. Sans eau, la vie serait impossible. Sans eau, la vie serait impossible.